Hello beautiful people, it is me, Lisa D, here to give you a review on something that I was about to just chuck in the trash. However, I actually found something I could use it for. So here we go! It is the Blackhead suction device. And I know a lot of guys have been searching for these. And I got this one because the marketing on it is wonderful. And they really got me at FDA approved. So I was really excited. I get little blackheads all the time on my nose and it's so annoying. This is what it looks like. I had it plugged in. That's the charger, so your USB charger, so you can just use your Apple charger for that. Plug it in. Here's all the suction. So it's basically like light, medium, strong, intermediate, light, medium, strong, intermediate. Different size suction cups to it, as well as a little lid. So that's the other two. It's like small, medium, large suction tubes on it, and a lid that goes on it. So it looks amazing, right? It looks like it's gonna do everything it says. However, this is 2 days after. You see my nose? They gave me hickeys all over my nose, and a little parts of it bled, had scabs on my nose as well. And I think your nose is actually too sensitive to use it. And dude, look at the skin on my hand. It's like sucking it in there. That's what it does to your nose, too. It's crazy. My friend saw me and was like, what happened to you? So I explained to her what I had, and she goes, oh, well, maybe it's supposed to look bad before it looks good. No. That's not true. I don't think you're supposed to get destroyed in the process of beauty. So, I literally was just gonna chuck this thing away, but then I was like, you know, I always see people using the little suction thing on their lips. So I was like, let me see what it does to my lips. Let me show you a trick that you can use. So I take a lip balm. This is pretty cool. I wouldn't do this all the time either. Like that. So I kind of just use it as a lip pump. Like this. And I'll do it on the lightest one for that. So this is light. Yeah. It's like a liner though. Works pretty well. And it's not like those other lip suction things like you put on and you can actually bruise yourself. This, I think, instead of using it as a pore refiner, I think you should use it as a lip plumper. So yeah, I had high hopes for this, but I would definitely not use it on my nose. So still the best thing that I've found for your little blackheads is it's the food grade hydrogen peroxide. That actually works wonders there. I think I'm just gonna stick with that for there. Until next time, bye.